What's up everyone, Max here in Muscle World, and a quick video today on how to do a tricep pushdown. Feet are shoulder width apart, nice sturdy base. Extend the arms down. Notice how I'm leaning forward. I'm not doing this to apply pressure. This is to increase the range of motion. Keep your core nice and tight. Get your elbows nice and fixed, as close to the side as you can. And then extend the arms. And then slowly control it back up to your starting position whilst extending the arms again. Squeeze them at the bottom, feel the tension on the triceps, and you're controlling it down. So you're going a little bit slower on the eccentric portion, and then the concentric, you're extending down a little bit quicker. Once you're in your last repetition, then just slowly and controlled, lower the weight down to the bottom. You want to pick a weight that you can do a rep range of around 12 to 15 repetitions if you're looking to increase the size of your triceps. Now, the triceps take up a massive part of the arm, so if you are looking at big arms, then you want to make sure you spend the time training your triceps. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.